Will it turn off? It won't. Come on, turn off. It won't. Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name's Hayley if you're new here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the October beauty box from LookFantastic. This one has come in a different box and I'm really happy with this box because it used to have all the green here, but when you tore the label off it left all tear marks. So this looks a lot nicer. It's just a plain box and it just says LF Beauty Box all the way around. I think it's a much nicer design, much better for if you want to show it. So, and it's easier to get into. That was the main thing. You just pull this, so let's pull it now. Let's see what's in there. Oh, and it's all pretty inside. It's got a nice array of things in here. It's filled it right up, hasn't it? So first of all, I'm going to take this one. I think this is a beauty blender by the sounds of it. So this is Spectrum Wonder Sponge in pink. So you got a little sticky thing. There's what that looks like inside. Nice hot pink. Lovely sponge. We can always do with one of those, can't we? Feels nice and soft. So I'll make good use of that. What else have we got? I hope it gets more exciting. I'm not going to look. So this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Soft Brown. Let's have a look what this looks like. So it's a twist up. And there's the shade. So it's like a mid-tone brown. Well, it's very hard. It does make good lines though. And that's a good shade for me. Perfect. So I'll get good use out of that. I like that it's hard actually. You can make good strokes with it. When it's hard, they'll be more defined, won't they? So I got myself a brow pencil. I'll always use that. Then what have we got next? Oh, I like this works. We got this works. Perfect Body Smoothing Wash. I've had this before and I really like it. I think it's really nice. I like the smell of it and it does leave your body feeling really soft and smooth. This is 50ml and it's worth £6. What does it say on it? Massage all over body whilst showering. For best results, leave on the skin for 2 minutes before rinsing. I don't think I do that. I just wash it on and wash it off. But it does leave it really smooth. So it says a resurfacing wash for the face and body with exfoliating fruit acids and PHAs. I remember that you could use that on your face. I really enjoyed it as well. It was good on your face and your body and I didn't get a reaction to that either. I really like this product. Happy. What have we got next? I see a nice big brush. I could do with a new brush because I did get some brushes in boxes. Was it late last year? I got a couple of brushes I think, but then I ended up giving them to people in the family, to my children. So I'll use that. Nice black brush, and this is wet brush, and this is worth over £11 it says. So I'll make good use of that. And I think we've got a couple more things in here. What's this? Oh, we've got a Foreo coconut oil nourishing tensile sheet mask. So that's worth over £6 and it says thoroughly cleanse skin and dry face. Remove sheet mask from sachet and gently unfold it. Place mask on your face, adjusting around the eyes and mouth. Sync your UFO device to the Foreo For You app and select the coconut oil routine. Or simply remove mask after 20 minutes and massage remaining essence into skin. So that's what that says. I haven't got the Foreo app. Maybe I should get it. I don't see what you would do that's any different to just sticking it on your face and taking it off after 20 minutes. So I don't know. What could possibly be on the app? I might have to find out. So there's that, and I like coconut. I had a rose one before and that was nice. And then we've got a product here. This is a big one. So this is Grow Gorgeous Intense Thickening Conditioner. Fuller, thicker, healthier looking hair. And how much is this worth? This is worth at least £14, it says. From volumizing shampoos and repairing conditioners to thickening sprays and vitamin boosting treatments, receive a randomly selected full-size Grow Gorgeous product. So this is a nice conditioner. So it says intelligent hair care, biotin, caffeine and amino acids encourage thicker, denser and healthier looking hair. And what is that? Amla oil. Rich in omega-3 and 6, provide nourishment to scalp and hair. Purely positive promise. Expertly formulated and proudly vegan friendly. Directions: use as part of the intense hair care regime. After using thickening shampoo, smooth through the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. Leave for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. For a deeper conditioning treatment, massage into your roots, then rinse. Oh, it doesn't say to keep it on longer then. I thought it was going to say to keep it on longer. So that was the last product. I don't know if is that worth £60? I guess so. Doesn't seem like it, does it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6 products in there, so I guess it is. So yeah, that was what was in there. I'm really pleased to have this. Looks really good. And this. I really like all of them. I like all the products. I just didn't think it was that exciting. Maybe this is to comb through your conditioner. Yeah. What do you think of the October box? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you again next time. Bye bye. Just don't do it, does it?